In today's video, let me show you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. If you do not see any content that you like on your Explore page of Instagram, I'm going to show you the way that you can get content that you prefer on your Explore page of Instagram. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. Now all of these suggestions on the Explore page of Instagram are based upon your interactions. So whenever you follow some pages on Instagram and when you interact with them, Explore pages are also based upon it. So what you can do in order to reset it is come over to your Explore page first of all, and if you see any content that you like, you can open it up and like it or interact it with some other way by sharing it or also commenting on it. Now once you've done that, the second thing that you can do is if you come across some photos that you don't like or some videos that you don't like, you can again open them up, tap on the three dots on the top right and tap on not interested. This way it's gonna hide the picture or the video. Now the changes would not show up immediately. You'll need to repeat this process over a period of time. And once you do, you'll start to notice that you'll start to see posts that you are most interested in. The second thing that you can also do is if you have followed any pages that you are not interested in, you can just unfollow them. So open up their profile and just unfollow them. And lastly, when you come across these suggested posts on your feed of Instagram, you can just tap on the three dots on the top right, and similarly you can tap on not interested. This way, over a period of time, you'll start to notice that on the Explore page, you'll get posts that you are most interested in. So that is the only way that you can reset your Instagram Explore page. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.